Okay, good morning, sorry, good afternoon to one and all. In the previous lecture, we have discussed some problem related to DC generator. I think I have given one problem for homework. दिला होता का? I think I have given one problem. Homework साठी एक problem दिला होता का मी?
Yes, sir.
How many students solve? Tell me the answer. Answer of that problem. I think this problem was given for homework, right? No? आज दिला होता का?
Yes, sir.
Okay, solve केलाय कोणी? Solve केलाय कोणी? If you
Yes,
have,
sir.
then tell the answer. What we want to calculate? Find the armature resistance. That means we want to calculate RA, and also find the load current corresponding to maximum efficiency. Maximum efficiency ला load current किती असेल हे find करायचं. सांगा answer. Who will solve? कोणी solve केलेलं आहे?
RA 0.107.
RA 0.107. I will write here. RA 0.107. 0.107 ohm. Next, load current corresponding to maximum efficiency. IL is equals to. क्या calculate load current?
122.3.
122.3. 122.3 ampere. No, we will check that. How many students solved and got this answer? 122.34 and 0.107. So these are the both are right answer. How many students calculated? किती जणांनी सॉल्व केलेला आहे हा? Okay, roll number 13, raise the hand. Next one. आणखी कोणी सॉल्व केलेलं आहे? Okay, roll number 14 solve. Is there necessary to solve here? इथे सॉल्व करून द्यायची गरज आहे का? Otherwise I will take another one problem. Give me reply, remaining student, those who have not solved. सॉल्व करून द्यायची गरज आहे का? Okay, no one is speaking. That means you people cleared all this one problem and you are able to solve. I will take another one problem. Okay, write down the problem. Next one, problem number 4. A 100 kilowatt, 240 volt shunt generator has a field resistance of 55 ohm. Has a field resistance of 55 ohm and armature resistance of 50 0.067 ohm. Find the full load generated voltage. So this is simple problem. Find the full load generated voltage. Read the problem carefully, write down the given data. According to this, go step by step, use formula and find the value of full load generated voltage. Okay. What is to be given? काय दिलेलं आहे? Can I draw here diagram? I will draw here diagram of shunt generator. This is the shunt field winding. This one is the armature of DC shunt generator, and the load, it can be connected to that of generator. A generator वरती load put केलेलं आहे. So this load is nothing but 100 kilowatt. Load, it can be putted on that generator. It is nothing but 100 kilowatt. Okay, so here is the armature of the generator. Shunt field winding resistance is can be given, that is 55 ohm. Terminal voltage V is given 240 volt. Generator having an armature resistance 0.06 ohm. Okay, now we want to calculate the full load generated voltage. What we want to calculate? According to this, write down given data. Power output of the generator, it is given, it is nothing but 100 kilowatt. Terminal voltage V is given, it is nothing but 240 volt. Has a field resistance, that means RSH is given, it is equals to 55 ohm. Then RA, armature resistance, is given, it is nothing but 0.06 ohm. What we want to calculate? काय calculate करायचंय? काय calculate करायचंय? Easy. We want to calculate the easy, that is full load generated voltage. Easy, we want to calculate. Okay. Okay. Now which formula it is useful here? कोणता फॉर्म्युला यूज करता येतो आपल्याला?
EG is equal to V plus IRA.
EG, that is generated EMF at the armature, it is equals to terminal voltage V plus armature resistance drop, that is V plus IARE, right? We know the value of V, we know the value of RA. Whether we know the value of IA? IA ची व्हॅल्यू आहे का आपल्याकडे?
No sir.
how to calculate the value of IA? कशी calculate करता येईल?
V is equal to IR.
V is equals to IR. I ची व्हॅल्यू मला, I is nothing but armature current calculate करायचा आहे. IA आहे तो. IA कुठं असतो? In this direction, IA is equals to here. Here it is load current IL. Here it is shunt field winding current ISH. Okay, right now. So these are the three current: armature current, current generated in the armature, load current flowing through the load, and shunt field winding madhun flowणारा current. What is IA? How the IA it will be calculated?
IL plus IR.
IL plus IHS. So right, that is IA is equals to IL plus ISH. All of you clear that concept here only, because at the time of machine or motor ज्या वेळेस आपण स्टडी करणार आहे, at that situation all formulae reverse of that, याच्या रिव्हर्स असतील, कारण मोटरला इनपुट इलेक्ट्रिकल असतं, जनरेटरचा आउटपुट इलेक्ट्रिकल आहे. करंट इकडून इकडे फ्लो होतो जनरेटर मध्ये, जनरेटर करून लोड कडे, आणि मोटरमध्ये सप्लाय कडून मोटरकडं, राईट नो. त्याच्यामुळं फॉर्म्युला चेंज होतं. याच्यामध्ये IL मायनस ISH येतं मोटरमध्ये. सो ऑल ऑफ यू क्लिअर कन्सेप्ट हिअर ओनली. IA इज इक्वल्स टू IL प्लस ISH. वेदर यू नो द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ ISH. ISH ची व्हॅल्यू आहे का तुमच्याकडं? हा,
No, sir.
ओके. वेदर यू नो द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ IL. आहे का IL ची व्हॅल्यू?
No, sir.
Then how it will be calculated? सांगा वन बाय वन. हाउ टू कॅल्क्युलेट ISH. ISH कसं कॅल्क्युलेट करता येईल?
V upon RSH.
V upon RSH, right? That is ISH. It is calculated terminal voltage V, because ISH is nothing but current flowing from this shunt field winding. We know the value of this resistance. याचा resistance माहिती आहे. So voltage in the parallel circuit, it remains same. So the voltage across the shunt field winding is nothing but terminal voltage V divided by RSH. V divided by RSH. P is nothing but 240. RSH is nothing but 55. RSH is nothing but 55. According to this, we get the value of ISH. याच्यावरून ISH ची व्हॅल्यू मिळेल. सांगा ISH ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे ती?
4.36.
4.36 ampere. 4.36 ampere. Okay. Now we know the value of ISH. Now what about IL? I want to calculate IA, but I don't know the value of IL. How the value of IL it can be calculated? कशी calculate करता येईल? काय फॉर्म्युला कशावरून कॅल्क्युलेट करता येईल? एनी गेस? दिलेला आहे का IL? Whether IL is given or not?
No, sir.
Then how it will be calculated? Then what is to be given? जे दिलेलं आहे त्याच्यावरून कॅल्क्युलेट करता येतोय का? कशावरून कॅल्क्युलेट करता येईल?
P is equal to VI.
P is equals to VI, right? That means see the output power of the generator, it can be given. Output power दिलेले आहे, that is 100 kilowatt. What is the formula for power? V into I. We know the value of power. We know the value of voltage. According to this, we are able to calculate IL. So IL is equals to power. It is nothing but 100 kilowatt. 100 into 10 raised to 3 divided by voltage, that is terminal voltage 240. According to this, we are able to calculate the load current IL. याच्यावरून आपण लोड करंट IL कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकतो. सांगा व्हॅल्यू. किती आहे ती व्हॅल्यू?
416.66.
416.66.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 416.66. 416 आली. Right. IL is equals to 416.66 is nothing but 7 ampere. Now we are having the value of IL, we are having the value of ISH. Now I am able to calculate the IA. So IA is nothing but sum of these two. 416.7 plus 4.36. According to this, we get the value of IA. IA ची व्हॅल्यू मिळेल आपल्याला. किती आहे ती व्हॅल्यू ऑफ IA? 420.
421.02.
421.02 ampere. Okay, now we have calculated the value of IA. Now I am able to calculate the EZ. So put the value. EZ is equals to terminal voltage 240 plus armature current 421.02 into resistance, that is armature resistance 0.067. According to this, we are able to calculate the EZ. For a calculation, tell the answer. Hmm.
268.020.
268.20, na? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So EZ, it is equals to, that is generated EMF. I will write here. EZ, it is equals to 268.20 unit volt. So this is the generated EMF at full load condition. Generated EMF at full load condition. Getting? Getting, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Over लिहून झालं का सगळ्यांचं? Can I rub this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Next one problem. Problem number 5. All of you write this problem. A 30 kilowatt 300 volt DC generator. It is important problem. 300 volt DC generator has armature and field resistance of armature and field resistance of 0.05 and 100 ohm respectively. 0.05 ohm and 100 ohm respectively. Calculate the total power developed by the armature. Calculate the total power developed by the armature when it delivers a full load output. When it delivers a full load output. Solve करता येईल. Read the problem carefully and try to solve. What are the given data? Tell me the given data. काय दिलेलं आहे? Read the problem carefully. At 30 kilowatt, what is this?
Power.
Power. Whether it is output or input. Output power है क्या input power है? Output power. Okay, so P out, it is equals to 30 kilowatt. 300 volt, that means terminal voltage it is given 300 volt. DC generator has armature and field resistance, that means RA and RSH is given. RA is equals to 0.05 and RSH it is equals to 100 ohm respectively. Calculate the total power developed by the armature when it delivers a full load output. What we want to calculate? काय कॅल्क्युलेट करायचंय? काय कॅल्क्युलेट करायचंय? टोटल पॉवर डेव्हलप्ड इन द आर्मेचर. आर्मेचर मध्ये डेव्हलप होणारी टोटल पॉवर कॅल्क्युलेट करायची. व्हॉट इज द फॉर्म्युला फॉर दॅट? काय फॉर्म्युला? पॉवर डेव्हलप्ड इन द आर्मेचर. झालेत आपले पॉवर स्टेजेस. फॉर्म्युला टू कॅल्क्युलेट पॉवर डेव्हलप इन द आर्मेचर. आर्मेचर पॉवर डेव्हलपचा फॉर्म्युला काय? Can anyone? We have studied about power stages in case of DC machine. Power stages बघितलेले आहेत. So power developed in the armature, whether it is which one stage? कोणती स्टेज आहे? A stage, B stage, C stage. कोणती स्टेज आहे याच्यामधली?
B stage.
B stage. Okay, right. So B stage, what is the formula for calculate the power? तिथली पॉवर कॅल्क्युलेट करण्यासाठी फॉर्म्युला काय? बघा, कुठल्याही मेथडनी जाऊ शकता तुम्ही. आपल्याकडे आउटपुट पॉवर आहे. ओके, बट यू डोंट नो द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ कॉपर लॉसेस. कॉपर लॉसेसची व्हॅल्यू नाहीये. ओके, सो कॉपर लॉसेस कॅल्क्युलेट करून आउटपुट पॉवर मध्ये कॉपर लॉसेस ऍड केली की तुम्हाला पॉवर मिळेल. इट इज नथिंग बट पॉवर डेव्हलप्ड इन द आर्मेचर. सी स्टेज ए स्टेज आहे. आउटपुट ऑफ द प्राइम मूव्हर किंवा इनपुट ऑफ द जनरेटर. त्याच्यानंतर इथं आयर्न लॉस आहे. बी स्टेज, त्याच्यानंतर इथं कॉपर लॉसेस आहेत. आय विल राईट हिअर PI, PCU and here it is C stage. So you are having the value of C stage. Output power आहे तुमच्याकडं 30 kilowatt. When we add a PCU in that output power, we will get the value of B. Otherwise, another one formula. What is the formula? काय फॉर्म्युला आहे त्याचा?
EG into IA.
EB into IA. EB into IA, it is the formula for motor साठी B यूज करतो आपण. For generator it is nothing but EG into IA, right? So you want to calculate EG into IA. EG into IA ची व्हॅल्यू कॅल्क्युलेट करायची आपल्याला. So see, EG into IA, that means power developed in the armature we want to calculate. We don't know the value of EG, we don't know the value of IA. Which formula it is useful here for calculating EG? EG calculation साठी कोणता फॉर्म्युला यूज होतो इथं? I want to calculate firstly EG. सेम प्रोसिजर आता सेम सॉल्व केलेलं आहे. We are not able to use formula 5pnz divided by 60a because we know the value of phi, we know the value of p, we don't know the value of that means n, as well as we don't know the value of z. Z ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याकडे नाहीये, phi ची नाहीये. So that which formula it is useful?
V plus I into RA.
Right, this formula it is useful, that is V plus IA into RA. Right, again we are having the value of phi, we are having the value of R, we want to calculate the value of IA. IA ची value again same formula, IA is equals to IL plus ISH. Okay, again we are not having value of these two, we will calculate that one. So ISH value it can be calculated, terminal voltage V divided by shunt field winding resistance, that is RSH. So terminal voltage it is nothing but 300 divided by value of RSH. RSH ची value किती आहे? 100. So it becomes 3 ampere.
3.
Right. Similarly IL कसा calculate करणार? IL is equals to, we know the value of power output. So power output is nothing but 30 kilowatt, 30 into 10 raised to 3 divided by V is nothing but 300. किती येते value of IL? IL ची value 100.
Yes, sir. 100.
Okay. So value of IL it is nothing but 100 ampere. So according to this we are able to calculate IA. So IA is equals to terminal voltage terminal voltage or load voltage VL plus shunt field current ISH is nothing but total armature current is equals to 103 ampere. Once armature current calculated, all other value you people already know. So according to this we are able to calculate easy calculate करू शकतो आपण. Terminal voltage V 300 plus armature current IA 103 into resistance RA resistance, that is 0.05. किती येते व्हॅल्यू EG ची? व्हॅल्यू ऑफ EG
05.15.
किती 05?
305.
305.15 volt. Okay, now we are having the value of EG, we are having the value of IA. Now we can calculate the power developed in the armature, that is total power developed in the armature. It is equals to EG into IA. So EG ची व्हॅल्यू आहे तुमच्याकडे 305.15 into IA. Value of IA is nothing but 103. So it is equals to किती येते व्हॅल्यू ही?
31.43 into 10 raised to minus
31.43 into 10 raised to
3
minus 3 का plus 3?
plus 3.
Plus 3 na. So it is in watt, so we can represent this into kilowatt, that is 31.43 kilowatt. Okay, 31.43 kilowatt. Right. काय डाऊट आहे याच्यामध्ये कोणाला? आहे का कोणाला काय डाऊट याच्यामध्ये? लिहून झालं का?